And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hi, I'm Lisa, the ukulele fool, foolishly loving holiday songs, and particularly, I've had a long time love affair with snow. It even gets better now that I don't have to drive in it. This song only needs these basic chords. I suggest that because this is a jazzy piece, use an easy A7 instead of doing a barred A7. This one works just fine for this song. There is a tricky chord transition. We'll talk about that after the strums. In this song, most of the chords only get 2 beats. And so a 2-beat strum is the perfect fit for that, except for we're going to shuffle it. Down, 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 down. The down gets 1 beat, and the down up also gets a beat. So the down and the down up take up the same length in time. The down up is swung or shuffled. So you could use your words to help you with that. You go down, shuffle, down, shuffle, down, shuffle, down, shuffle. You could also do do, do-be, do, do-be, do, do-be, do, like that. If you need a narrative, the down of the down up is a little bit louder and a little bit longer than the up strum, and we call that swing. Some of the chords get 4 beats, and you could take the 2-beat strum and do it twice. That's very logical. I find that because so many of those 4-beat strums happen at the end of phrases where our singing is tapering off, we need more rhythmic activity in our instruments, so I'm going to do an island strum. It's a 4-beat strum, and it works. Whatever works for you, you get to pick. The trickiest chord transition is going from a D to a D7. I have a couple hacks for that. One is just do down strums. Eliminating the up strum of a 2-beat strum gives you a half beat to reposition your fingers. So it would look like this. Down, 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 down. The other thing that you could do is take that 2-beat strum and change the up strum to an E minor 7. By doing that, with E minor 7, look on no fingers, it does the same thing as the downbeats. It gives us a half a beat where we're still strumming, but our fingers get a chance to move. So, looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down. It gives us kind of a jazzy sound too. I really like that. Listen to it again. Down, down, up, down, down. So, whatever works for you is going to be the right choice. Hey, I'm hoping that you can help this channel out. You know, it would be so helpful if you like this video and you could subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And thanks to all of you that have already subscribed. Hit that notification bell and leave me a comment. Do you have a favorite version of this song? I mean, we listened to crooners all the time at my house when I was growing up. We heard lots of versions of this. I think Bette Midler does one too. If you'd like to help this channel and get rewards for yourself, join me on Patreon. I have over 300 chord charts. They have the color coding, which helps you decipher which chords get 2 beats and which chords get 4 beats. The strumming patterns are included in the chord charts. There's even a starting vocal pitch, so lots of things to help you on your ukulele journey, as well as 2 Zoom sessions a month. So come join us on Patreon, and thank you to all my patrons. I really could not be doing this without your help. Let's do a little practice sesh. There's 2 sections in this song. Let's practice each section independently with just the chords. The chords are color-coded, and if they are in yellow, it's a 4-beat chord. If they're not in yellow, well, they're just a 2-beat. So here we go. I'll kind of sing you through it. 1, 2, and here we go. G, and G. Let's do the chorus together. Oh, 1, 2, and here we go. D, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4. A, 7, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. E, 7, A, 7, and D, 7. Let's do a play along together. Oh, down here is your starting pitch. Oh. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I hope you enjoyed playing that along with me. Is it going to be a white Christmas in your neck of the woods? I had white Christmas for so many years. All right, I've got more baritone tutorials. Catch me in the next one. Thanks for watching all the way to the end.